Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing Pressure Washer Simulator again. So let's do this. Yeah, it's only 700 Robux. Just look at my new pressure washer. Okay, I need to get it. Why do I have this equipped? Anybody else have this equipped? No, you don't. You do. You do too. Maybe it's just... well, I actually clicked it. What is what? What does it mean? What is that? Double take, big take, mega take, ultra take, golden take, titanium take, diamond take, steel take, steam take, ketchup take, juice box take, froggy take, aquarium take, battery take, dazzle take. Battery take does not sound safe. Boom. Okay then. This is kinda sick. I'm gonna question, why do I have this? Here, why do I have this thing? What? The eagle takes.
Scheduled for next week, Monday or Tuesday. If you could reply back to the email that I have sent.
Oh my gosh, I did not pay any Robux. Why do I have it? I don't need anything. Here, just so you guys can hear me better. Oh, by the way, I don't want to get a copyright claim, so all the way down. Yeah, that's better. Now you guys can probably hear me better. Although it's not really that satisfying. Yeah. Oh, yep, satisfying. I don't want to get a copyright claim, YouTube. I can just let it rip. Just so you guys can see. Just so you guys can see, I did not pay Robux. Okay. Thank you for the game. I didn't even buy it. It's a glitch. What?
Correct. And right.
Passes. Infinity takes 800, 700, and then 300. What does the circle nozzle do?
Well, I did just send her the revised Alta to sign. Let me ask them. let me give them a call. If they've already signed and that's the only thing that they're waiting on, then 11 o'clock will still work. Let me just check with the other closer, and then I'll give you a call back. I sent it to our DocuSign.
Oh wow. Oh, this so satisfying.
I'll write you right back.
This thing is a piece of cake. This is easy. Mansion zone, easy. I feel like it's been like 5 minutes and I already finished half of this. Might finish the game. This is the easy step. Maybe it's just for like a new update or something. I don't know. Oh, you have to get inside the fence. Oh wow, I did not get this whole side. Sorry, not at all. How big does this pressure washer thing go? Alright, boom, done. I think I'm done. Wait, no, I still see some dirt. Oh, these chairs are triggering. Got that one. Why did I jump so high now, too?
With football this morning with
At Bingo, did it?
Remember they changed the purchase price and removed the commission. That was the amendment. And we just got that. Well, I tried calling the seller.
Nice Lamborghini you got there. Boom, done already. Okay, that actually might be a little hard. 2 Lambos. Well, I'm kind of getting rich now because this pressure washer thing. 50% already done. I just started.
Apparently, it's black and obviously bringing it closer. So that's why.
Sorry. Yeah, I did try to do that. What's the next level called? School.
Yeah,
That does not look hard at all. Honestly, I think this is harder.
Let's go for.
They got smart, but yeah, that's not that. That's garbage looking actually. This is like a cheat thing. There's dirt up there too.
We have signed it. Okay. I will request it. Perfect. Okay.
Bruh. This is going to be easy. Oh, it's so laggy. School lock. Yeah, I'm gonna actually play this game legit, so I'm not gonna go until I'm done. Holy.
Oh, okay. So then let's call Jeremy back and tell her yes, she can come in and
Guys, I actually did not buy this. Like, literally, I don't know how I have this.
well, no, we gotta call Jeremy back.
I actually don't know.
Tell him yes, he can still come at the 11 o'clock.
I think it's done. Oh wait, no, it's not done. I missed his arm somehow.
Okay, I just got off the phone. Yeah, and I just talked to him before I called you.
No, I don't even need to buy anything. I have this. 4,000, boom. 15,000, boom. Tanks, boom, boom. Fendi gun
because
nozzle.
purchase price and remove the commission.
Oh, I like the bigger washer. This is better. Literally, look at this. Already half the bus is done. No, just for not. Oh, this is taking forever though. Yeah, no, the one. Alright, I think I'm already halfway done with this school bus. I'm done with the school bus. School bus. Not done yet. School bus is done. What does this say? Hello, is there a glitch in this game? I don't need it. I don't think I do. Is it just school buses? Because I don't see the actual school. Oh, wow. You have to do a whole plane next. Eventually, I was going to think of doing one level every video, but since I have this for whatever reason, yeah, I'm doing like 5 a video. So what else is there to clean besides buses? Yeah, he has it too. Does he have the tank? Yeah, he has the tank too. Maybe it's just a one-time use. Because everybody has it. So that's some dirt, yep. Boom, done. What are you talking about? Oh. No, this is a piece of cake, right? Oh, yeah, blah, blah. Nothing to compare to. Oh, I've just sprayed it across this whole thing. Holy. Airport unlocked. Just make sure everything's clean. Not everything's clean. One time I went to a car wash. They did a terrible job. So if I had this in real life, I would just do it myself. Like, I'm never going to that car wash ever again. That car wash was junk. How do you get this much dirt on places? I think it's good. Yeah, that looks clean to me. I didn't see any dirt. I actually did not see any dirt. This is going to be a piece of cake. Let's get to outside the bus first. How the heck? Is this a bug in a game? Store. Boom. Boom. Takes. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna try this gun out. Nope, the one is bad. One can't beat anything because it's made out of Robux and it's gold. Bro, there's stuff in here. Could have told me that. I seriously still have this arrow for like 10 years ago. Oh wait, I still see some dirt on this. School one I think is kind of annoying. How? I actually cleaned this whole area up. I'm way ahead of you. Oh, you have to get under here. A little touch. Just wash that dirt away. Just wash that away. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh my. Laboratory is unlocked. Oh wow, you can't see through this last one. Mars? It showed Mars. I actually think this is a bug. Oh, I thought I quit up here. Stay here. I have to get these power woods too. Let's get that. How did you manage to get it like every single detail spot? Like, what did you do to this plane? In my everything, actually. I've been done for a while, but I'm still gonna finish this whole play. Do people just do that for fun? Oh wow, I forgot the back of this. What about this side? No, this side of this area. Oh, I thought that fell for a second. There, that's way better. You'll probably reach the, yep. Boom. Plane is securely done. Not yet. Boom, done. And what did you do to this place? Ew, what is this stuff? This is yoga mattress? What is this? Does Rebirth, if I do Rebirth, yeah, 1x money, 1 power. 5 stones left to Rebirth. With 3 sensor guns, tanks, money, and nozzles. And research the game and increase your money. Oh, here we go again. Sweet, this is very nice. Oh, you have to get every single detail. Oh my, this side's completely destroyed too. Is this a factory? Is this a factory or is this a construction site? Because look at this. And look at this. Actually, this looks like neither. I feel like the person robbed. Because, like, what? How did he get that? This is like, oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yay. 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 It's fun to say. Yay. Oh, I didn't realize Archer. Oh, I didn't see this part. $400,000. Yo, I can buy my car. Oh, a car I want to buy. A McLaren. Why is it red? Of course, I forgot. Oh, that's how much money you get. That's how much Robux you need to spend. Why would somebody spend 4,000 Robux on money? That is actually a scam. I got all the nozzles. Wait, I saw some dirt. Oh, that's a ton of dirt. Yay! 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 Are we done yet? I think we're... No, not done yet. No, not done yet. I think we're done. And I'm leaving. I don't care if it's not done or not. I'm leaving. Oh my gosh. Hey, not that bad. Actually, I take that back. What is this dirt? Wait, Arctic. So is there Arctic foxes? Cause you know I love foxes. Cause I like orange. I don't know. Yay! Well guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Bye bye, and brand new video. Yay! Castle. Mars. Queen. Marine. And then that will be Eddie, and then I have to go World 2. Laboratory, school, parking lot, garden, mansion, school, airport. Yeah, I'm way past all of those. I don't know why I'm continuing this video. I guess we're not going to leave yet. I'm just having too much fun. Having too much fun. Too much fun. I might actually get copyright claim to this. Because of this music. Because I got a copyright claim on Get Rich Every Second. By accident. Yep, you have to go back here too. I'm just giving you guys tips. Sometimes. Not all my videos, sometimes. Mind if I just hop on here? I cleared that part. How's the video still going on? Stop video. Oh, I forgot this part too. And now we're going on to this.
I'll try and